detonator.
Come on.
Oh, this guy's on drugs. We got some use here. Get on your knees.
Go, go, go.
Get down.
Watch the door, man.
Get the guns out of here. Get the guns out of here. Where is the detonator? Do you understand what is going to happen to you? Where's the detonator?
You've got nothing without me.
I don't need you, you little shit. Where's the detonator?
They went.
Get him out of here. Let's go. Where is it? Where is it and what wire?
It's on the floor high up.
Yeah? Better than you? How much higher? Very. What color would I seem to snip if I wanted to keep the blast from happening? You'd have to see it. Let's go. Come with us. Watch the gun. You got it. Gun down, got him. Let go of the gun. Keep these guns out of here. Get them out of here. Boom. Search this person. Make sure he's got no other guns. Good.
Get out right away. Go, go, go.
What the hell? You guys are always stopping me.
On the ground. On the ground. Hey. He's talking to you.
Listen up.
You hear this? This is good cop, bad cop. You don't want to get in this guy's way, so you tell him everything.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Huh? Come on, man, I'm not doing nothing.
Alright, who's got the zip strip then?
Lay flat on your stomach. Palm of your hands out. Okay, we got it.
On the ground. You guys are always harassing me. It's okay. You guys are always harassing me. Good.
40 and 23.
Hey, get someone to watch this stairwell.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got guns. You said green and white, but I don't see any green.
Well, let's follow the line. Hold on. I knew it was white.
That was awesome.
You like green? Is that your favorite color? Oh, but you like white too, don't you? You're riding a train. Hey! 280 pounds of pure love, baby! Oh, don't take all that. Don't get your barrel card in there. You must work out.